and welcome back to Unlocked. Today we're looking at a brand new product from Souber Tools, their tilt and turn opening kit. When it comes to tilt and turn windows, access isn't always straightforward, especially when the internal handle fails or the mechanism jams shut. That's where the Souber Tools tilt and turn opening kit comes in. It's a 9-piece specialist tool set built specifically for unlocking and opening tilt and turn window systems safely and efficiently. Inside the kit, you'll find everything you need to work cleanly and avoid damage to the sash frame or hardware. First off, there's the starter tool, used to begin separation between the sash and the frame. It's a key first step to create access for other tools without putting pressure on the glazing or damaging the frame. You'll also get a short mushroom striker, engineered to interact with internal hardware in tricky configurations. It helps disengage locked points where standard tools might struggle. The tilt and turn spreader gives you just enough working room between the sash and the frame to safely insert tools, essential for when you're dealing with warp frames or tight tolerances. You also get the tilt and turn handle. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use of the tools. And to protect the window throughout the job, the kit includes 2 Scotia guards, one regular and one deep. These sit between your tools and the frame to prevent scratches, pressure dents or cosmetic damage. Also included in the kit are 3 wedges. These versatile supports help hold the sash in place once you've started to gain access. These can be used to maintain spacing or provide additional clearance where needed. Everything is packed in a durable protective carry case, making this kit easy to store, transport and deploy on site. The TAT-KIT is ideal for locksmiths, window installers and housing maintenance teams who regularly deal with stuck or failed tilt and turn windows, especially where internal access isn't possible. It's clean, efficient and designed to let you do the job without drilling damage or risk to the frame. The Souber Tools Tilt and Turn Opening Kit is available now from Aldridge Security. Order online or speak with the team for more information. And if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tools, walkthroughs and trade insights right here on Unlocked.